How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Crafted Cars. Happy Tuesday. In today's video, we're going to be finally fixing the exhaust leak on my Dodge Stealth. I've had this little issue for a while, but it's been kind of pushed off to the side because I got like 3 other big projects going on right now. But the leak is getting so annoying, I gotta get it fixed. So it's just a small leak right now between 2 exhaust flanges, just like a little 2-bolt, 2-inch exhaust flange. And today we're gonna fix it with Remflex exhaust gaskets. Now, what makes these special, and hopefully why this is gonna fix our leak today, is because these are thicker gaskets that apparently crush up to 50%. So their specialty is warped and pitted flanges. That's what I got, so let's see what it does. So I got my back wheel blocked up, got this car up on jack stands. Let's get underneath it and check it out. So there's a leaky flange right there. I'm in the car right now. Let me start it up for you. So a lot of exhaust leaks, you could spray them with soapy water to find them. You can see it's spitting. I'm gonna use some WD-40 penetrant oil on it. I already used a little bit earlier, but it never hurts. Let's see what this does. There we go. I shouldn't be using an adjustable wrench to hold the nut in place, but like I said, I got 3 other projects going on right now, so all my open-ended wrenches are at a different shop right now. Nice. No. What? One of these bolts has got a bigger head than the other one. I'm not the first one here. Let's try the 14. There we go. I tell you what, I've been working on cars for like a decade now, and I still get my rights and lefts mixed up when I'm underneath the car. Oh, that one broke pretty easy. There's the old gasket. Look at this thing, all burnt up. Boo! Give it the thumbs down. Boo! Alright, well, I got my new Remflex gasket here. I got the 2-inch one. I knew which one to get because I measured my exhaust pipe here, and it was 2 inches thick. And the flange bolts, the holes at least, were 3.75 inches thick. So this one's going to work out just fine for us. While I'm under here, I realized this is not the factory front pipe. So one of these days, I am going to swap this thing out. I don't have the money for that right now, so it will have to wait. It's like the pipes want to separate, so I gotta hold them together, but at the same time I gotta fish a bolt through and put the nut on, so it's like I can't do 3 things at once here. And I can't find my vice grip, so we're gonna try to use a zip tie here. Sweet. And I'm just going back and forth on these. They say only 20 foot-pounds, so I'm not gonna go too crazy. It's probably good. All right, let's clean up this mess and test it out. That's good, let me rev it. I still hear an exhaust leak, so I got under the car and I'm having my girlfriend rev it up a little bit. I think it's right here. All right. All right. Oh yeah, just a little bit spitting out right about here. So I've been driving around the Stealth for about a week, and the sound inside the cabin is so much better. That tiny little exhaust leak on the flex section, I'm not gonna worry about that, especially since in the future, I wanna replace that front pipe with a better design. In comparison to that flange leak, it's nothing. That leaky exhaust flange was super annoying. It was such a loud hissing noise, especially when you got on the gas. So I'm glad we got that taken care of. And shorter video today because it is a really quick fix. I'm not sponsored by Remflex or anything like that, but I do recommend that gasket for sure. Hopefully it can help you out if you're in a similar situation. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Tune in next Tuesday for our podcast episode. I got some really exciting news to share with you guys, and that's all I got. So see you next Tuesday. Bye-bye.